Hi everyone, Ganesh here from a new tech hub. Today we're gonna unbox and set up a Note 10 Plus. Few colors is come with RA Glow, RO Black, and Grey and a Blue. The blue and the Grey is available in US. On UK you have the Glow and the Black is available. So you have it is on 4G and 5G in the Note 10 Plus. So let's unbox this. The one I bought, the 4G model 10 Plus, and it's going to be 256. It is the RO Glow. It is for UK and Europe SIM only. If you are buying from different countries, so you got the phone and we're going to open the box. So you have a quick guide, startup guide, so it's showing what to do and how to set up the phone, how to transfer data using a USB, and a leaflet showing how to use the adapter to transfer data via USB. It is going to be USB-C charger, and it is a fast charging, so it will support up to 40 watts. I bought it on UK, so therefore it is going to be the UK cable. And if you're buying in US, you're getting a US USB-C to USB-A data transfer adapter, so you can transfer your data by connecting your USB. Then that is coming with a small tiny box. So it is a USB-C to USB-C that will able to support 45 watts fast charging, and also useful when you're transferring data from a USB-C phone to USB-C phone. So you get the AKG headphones, and it is supporting USB-C, almost a bezel-less display. So you get a little bezels in the corners, and you get the buttons in the both sides. So you get volumes up, volumes down. You got the Bixby buttons. So you do get a very nice display. So let me look at the price on this. And the Note 10 Plus, you get two different type of phones. One's going to be on 4G and one's going to be on 5G. So let's look at that. That is going to be 256 GB. That is going to be 1099, 12 gig of RAM. The 4G is going to be 256, 1099, 12 gig of RAM. Note 10 Plus model, you get the 512 for the 5G. It is going to be 12 gig of RAM. I'll leave the link also below if you are interested in purchasing one of these. So both of the sides is going to be have a Gorilla Glass 6. Is going to be a scratch resistant, and you don't get any buttons in this sides. You get one side, you get all the buttons on the one sides. So in the tops you do get a microphones and SIM card trays with single SIM and a micro SD card slots. So you can turn that into a dual SIM, or you can use a one SIM and a one SD card, or you can do two SIM cards. Then in the backs you get a USB-C charger, and you get again you have a mics and a speaker. The Note models is known for it is the pen. So it is a small ideal pen. They have done quite a lot of improvement. They added few more features to the pens, so it will be more functional than just writing. So it does have one of the best displays, as you know. That is Samsung make screens as well as a display for Apple. So it is a 6.8-inch display, 1440, 1340, 498 pixel per inch, and you get a HDR10 plus on the display. My fingerprints are just is easy to see. I don't know if you can see it. Is easy to see on the display. So it is better to have a cover. So software wise, it's going to be quad-core Snapdragon 855. So you get cameras on the top. It is very similar to the S10 Plus. You have it in the middle. Camera is going to be 10 megapixel, that is f2.2, 26 mm wide angle. You can record in 4K 30. Back cameras, you get 12 megapixel f1.5 to 2.4, which is 27 mm wide angle cameras. 16 megapixel f2.2 ultra wide angle, 12 megapixel f2.1 52 mm telephoto lens. Time of flight is going to be 3D VGA in-depth cameras. So the phone itself is IP68. It is water and dust resistant, and that is going to be 4300. So it is going to be 4300 mAh. So it is going to be a bit more longer battery than the older Note 9 as well as a Note 8 that supports Bluetooth 5.0, also supports FM radios in US. So I will go through the setup process to see how simple and how easy to set it up. There is no SIM cards. So now is asking to agree on the services. So end users, you need to agree on the end users, and it's gonna bring you all data. So this is the place where you are transferring from a Bluetooth, or you're transferring by the USB adapters that is Samsung provided, which is USB-C to USB-A. So you can transfer it through this. So at the moment I'm going to skip that and just move that. So it will ask you to turn on this connected to your Wi-Fi. So I'm just going to say no. So let's see how long it will take. Then it's asking for Google account sign. I say again no. You get a few options you can use them on. You have the face recognition, you have fingerprints, you have a patterns and pin and password. So recommended apps, let's see what is going to be that. So because I have a Vodafone SIM card, is automatically recommending me the Vodafone app because it's a dual SIM phone, one SIM. Then also you have the options on the second SIM. So let's see how fast this is. That is quite fast actually, comparing with any of the phones. It's very close to the 10, but it's a bit more faster, but it's considerably faster than the Note 9 and the Note 8. So as you see, that is the security software wise, it is up to date. We're gonna watch a video or songs, tubes, Google services already pre-installed for you. So we are watching one of the videos, and I'm gonna put the volumes down. Audio quality, so the speakers is gonna be on here. So if I hold it, I'm still able to hear from here. So you have the both speakers in the both side. If I hold that down, so you get a full display. So you get a full display on the bezels. That is actually on the low volume. So if you put the full volume up, they're quite loud as on the phone. It does seem to be is still giving 4 bezels. The display is definitely one of the best display I could see. It is much more clearer, much more in-depth colors. The almond display on this Note 10 is made a huge improvement on the quality. How we were watching movies or videos is made a huge difference on the quality. So the display on the almonds are much better than the Note 9 and the Note 8. So if you are a person you're looking for an upgrade, or do you think is it worth it for you are getting a much better phone overall, you're getting better battery lives, your better display, better camera. So I'm going to take a picture close up as well as wide angle. I'm going to take a pictures with this. So that is my close-up shots. So let's see how this works. It's had to be quite wide as well as its background. So now I can put it to 0, so I will see the pen. And if I increase the brightness, it will bring the pen and it will change the colors on the back. So in a way you're getting it almost in a DSLR camera. Let's see on the Mark III. This is on the portrait mode. Look, portrait mode. Then you do get the full details, but you do get a bit more of a grayish background. Even though the board is white, it is going to be a fully bezel-less. You get the little notch on the cameras, and you get the full screen and the picture zoomed in. So now we're going to use the Samsung pen. And I will be posting other videos testing the cameras on the Note 10. If you are not subscribed to the channels, please subscribe to watch more videos like this, and like and share the videos. Thank you guys for your patience. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you guys on the next video.